Yep. Yeah, so we were here now. Students, I hope you can see the PowerPoint slide.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these are the last two. Though they sound very simple, like, okay, make a list of the fruits and vegetables you want to buy, take a bag, go to the market, identify, purchase, bring back. Okay, but you understood now where our students are failing in explaining the concept of internship to the company guides. So please pay attention. Most of them doesn't require explanation, but please pay attention and follow, try to follow. I'll take up more questions at the end of this. Let me complete these two slides. So how to go about? Now, assuming that, as I said, what is internship can be only explained orally, or it can be explained through a write-up. Or you can do internship and experience. It cannot be shown through a video or picture. So your ability to listen, understand English, and interpret matters here. So first thing is identify the industry and company in which you are interested. So Shilpa asked the question, okay, is it related to or specialization? Yeah, I made a statement very clear. Internship is not related to your specialization. First part. Everybody heard me? Keshav and Purna, please keep responding.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Keshav and
Yes,
Purna.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I made a very statement and I did very clear. Yes, thank you. So your internship is not related to your specialization. Okay. Your project after semester 3, when you take up a project of 6 weeks, that is a research study. That is a compulsory. If you have taken marketing and finance, you cannot do HR project. Either you have to take up a marketing research or research in finance, for example. But internship has got nothing to do with your specialization, first part. Second part, okay. But if you are planning, okay, you might have given some thought about which specialization I'm going to choose in semester 3. Say, for example, marketing and finance. Shilpa MN, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So just for namesake, you reply. What specialization combination you are planning to choose in semester 3?
Sir, finance, sir.
We provide dual specialization. It is compulsory. Other than
Sir,
finance,
finance and marketing, sir.
finance and
Marketing.
thank you very much. Now everybody listen. So Shilpa is planning. She has not yet taken. She is planning to take marketing and finance as her specialization in second year. And she, if she likes, okay, she can do her internship also in the same domain of marketing or finance. Okay, it is flexible, but it is not compulsory. That's it. Okay, but it is not compulsory. That she can also do an internship in HR if she gets it. Okay, there is absolutely no problem. Okay, so somebody else. Okay, Purna, for example, which specialization are you planning to take?
Sir, HR
And see, don't say single. We have dual
and
specialization.
finance, sir.
Very good. It's a different combination. Thank you. So Purna is planning to take HR and finance as her specialization in second year. So Purna can choose internship in the domain of HR and finance. Every flexibility is there. But if she gets a marketing internship and she is interested, she can also go ahead. There is no problem. So this concept is clear for everybody now?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So only thing is company should be national or multinational so that you get weightage in your resume when you write about your internship. And the company should have clarity about the nature of internship you are asking, and they should be interested in providing such a 4 weeks internship. Okay, there should not be a confusion like the Hero Motocorp dealer, one mentioned by Shiva Kumar. Yeah, somebody was asking a
Sir?
question, please.
Sir, actually, I have doubt, sir. I wanted to take specialization finance and marketing,
Okay.
but I will do internship in HR.
Yeah.
How can I add that certificate to finance company or marketing company, sir?
Sorry, how can I?
Add that certificate in this specialization which I take.
ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕೇಳಿ ಶಿಲ್ಪ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು HR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್
HR ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ನ ನಾನು ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಹ್ಮ್
how can it valid for that finance and
okay.
marketing?
The first thing is, okay, nobody will write that you have done an internship. That is why I'm saying don't relate specialization to internship. No company will write specialization in the internship certificate. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is the first point. Second thing, you will be working on a domain, maybe recruitment, for example. Okay. So what matters is the experience that you gained during that 1 month as an employee of the organization, which other college MBA students will not have. You would know about the culture of the organization, the hierarchy, organization structure and hierarchies, reporting, and you would have really worked in an organization. And okay, nobody would question in the interview. In fact, they will be proud. In fact, they would be proud. Remember this first. Second, again there may be a confusion, like what there is a confusion in case of the manager of a Hero Motocorp dealer. If the interview panel mistake or misunderstand your internship for the project, then it is your duty to clarify internship is what is the nature of internship and what is project. You heard me, Shilpa?
Yes, sir, I heard, sir.
Your project definitely yes depends on your specialization. But if you are not able to make them understand, they may remain with that doubt in their head. Clear?
Okay, sir.
And third thing, let us say directly if they ask, they understand the nature of internship in our college, you explained it, still they ask the question. You have taken marketing and finance, and why did internship in HR? Okay, so you can tell, sir, first I tried initially in marketing and finance. Okay, but in the area in which I lived, okay, so I couldn't get such a internship. So for example, okay, I got a virtual internship of recruitment at home through my seniors, for example, I'm saying. So the overall objective was to learn, sir or madam. So instead of leaving it, I took it up from positive point of view. And the brighter side of that is the experience that I gained, valuable experience I gained in 1 month. This is how you could answer, Shilpa.
Sure, sir.
See, it's all about speaking, communication. I have been telling you people, content and communication. Shilpa, have I answered your question?
Yes, sir, understood, sir.
Very
Thank you,
good.
sir.
Thank you, Shilpa, Purna, okay, and other students. Shivakumar, see, ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಉಳಿದವ್ರ ತಲೆಗೂ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟ. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ರಿಯಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ. ಅಮೃತ್.
ಸರ್, ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೇನೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? ಇದು
ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್, ಇದು ಜಾಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಂಪನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟೀಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ನಾನು HR ಬಂದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ, ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ, ಇಬ್ರದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ, ಒಂದ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಆ ನೇಚರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಡಿತೈತಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಈಗ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, HR, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ, ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ದಾಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಓಕೆ
ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. But prefer to choose separate companies for clarity. Don't join the same company. Okay, there is no problem, absolutely. At a maturity level, if the maturity levels are higher and the students are genuinely working, there is no question, okay, of many students doing internship in the same company, as their tasks will be different, or everybody's job will be same, but everybody has to contribute from their end. Okay, but the problem here is immaturity, where students end up copying from each other. That is the reason why it is avoided. That's it. Okay, so let me continue then the last 2 slides. So identify the industry and company in which you are interested. Your interest may also be based on the combination of specialization you are planning to choose in second year. Accordingly, you can choose the industry and company, absolutely. And check for availability at your place where you are living, whether such companies are there which can provide the type of internship we are looking for. If not, then you have to settle with what is available at your end. Okay, or you can try virtual internships also in the area of your interest. Then choose among the available options, virtual or offline, on-site it is called, virtual or on-site. Whatever is available at your disposal, you have to choose among them. That's why I said it is not related to your specialization. This is one more answer what you can give in the placement interview. If somebody asks, you are had done your internship in HR, recruitment for example, whereas your specialization is finance and marketing. Sir, this is how we chose our company. Remember this, don't forget. It will remain in the Google Classroom. You cannot have something which is not available at your end. Please remember. Then depending on the available options, companies that is, or type of internship, plan to visit. Simply don't go blindly. Make a small list today, which companies I am going to meet. Okay, retail chains, for example, then branches of banks, life insurance, general insurance, stock trading, for example. What kind of an internship I'm going to ask? PPT I'm going to share immediately. Video also will be shared. Prepare and go. Prepare, plan and visit the companies with your request letter. Okay, carry the request letter of internship. I already told soft copy is being sent. Okay, you can fill in your name, full and proper name, write your USN, align and adjust the lines and sentences properly. So then take a printout. If you know whom you are going to meet already, you can even type to whom you are going to meet. For example, store manager, Big Bazaar, Hubballi. More than enough. Okay, and you can type the date and take a printout. So for each company, you have to use separate. Remember. Then dress and groom appropriately. See, dear students, this is one area where our students totally ignore and negligent. Please remember. See, please, okay, it's only a request and I'm not going to repeat it only once. Boys, please have a clean shave. Okay, and use college uniform. Blazer is not mandatory, but if you like, you can wear blazer. Okay, so the black leather shoes, navy blue socks, because that is the color of your suit. Your color of your suit is navy blue socks, laced shoes, not shoes without lace. Laced shoes, black color, navy blue socks, and your uniform, black color belt. Okay, shirt tuck in, tie knot should be in center, tie length should reach the buckle of the belt. Okay, that's it. Boys clean shave. Girls, okay, shaving doesn't matter here. So it is your uniform and wear proper footwear. Please remember, and groom your hair properly. The moment when they look at you, okay, because you mostly some of the cases you are going to meet only the watchman or the security guard. Try to understand. So when they look at you, they should allow you inside. They should acknowledge you and welcome you inside. Please remember, your dressing and grooming matters a lot. Okay, but if you don't like professional dressing and grooming, okay, it is up to you what you want to do. Second, wear your identity card. Please remember, security threats are increasing due to COVID-19 problem also. Okay, all are not allowed inside. So if you wear a college identity card, it will be like an easy entry pass for you. Do not ignore these things, please. Then, see, sometimes you may get to meet the security guard, watchman, or somebody who will not have decision-making authority in the branch, for example. Somebody is passing by, employee, and he may show interest in you and he or she may talk to you. But he or she may not be the decision-making authority. So please try to understand. But you cannot ask them, who are you? So what you should do, introduce yourself to the first person you meet very politely, and then explain your purpose of visit to the first person you meet, whomsoever it might be, including watchman, security guard, or any other employee. Very clearly, very politely, and see, it will be, your communication will be very effective if you use the content that we are sharing with you, and if your dressing and grooming is professional, you will get attention. Please remember, you will get attention. If your dressing and grooming is very untidy and you cannot explain exactly what you are looking for, okay, then you may not be accepted properly. Then if the person whom you meet first, like security guard, watchman, okay, or employee other than the branch manager or factory manager. Okay, you have to ask for the concerned person. So since you have introduced yourself and you have explained your purpose of visit, that person will be able to guide you to the correct person. This is where again, please try to understand, most of our students have failed. They have met anybody and come back. Okay, then, so if the concerned person or authoritative person is somebody else, like the branch manager, factory manager, HR manager, then you have to introduce yourself once again to the concerned person who will have authority to give you internship. Then once again, you have to explain your purpose of visit to the concerned person. For example, HR manager or branch manager, once again, you have to explain your purpose of visit so that they can understand what you are looking for. Now, dear students, only because of this, your dressing and professional dressing and grooming, your self-introduction, and your clarity in purpose of your visit, they will be able to understand and tell exactly such kind of internships are available or not. Okay, that is the key here. 90% of the job is here. If you cannot communicate to them properly, then they may end up understanding or mistaking you for a project of 8 weeks, project of 2 months, and there will be confusion and chaos. These things have also happened where there is no much communication between our student and manager. A manager thought it is a project of 2 months. Where a student has joined for a 4-week internship. Only after 4 weeks, when student wanted to leave, the manager is asking, "Hey, how you are leaving so early? Your project should be of 2 months." And in the first 1 month, what the student has done? Only company study. They have rotated him or her in different departments, like Shiv Kumar's manager told. Simply, dear students, our students did not open their mouth and spoke. Okay, but now you are all provided with so much of content, clarity, knowledge. Okay, so I hope you should be able to speak. Okay, so that's why I have put it in red. Okay, be specific. Tell him or her, means the concerned manager, that you are looking for a suitable job or work for 4 weeks. Unless and until you tell, he won't have a dream of it. Please try to understand. The manager will not have a dream, okay, that you are coming here for a internship of 4 weeks where you have to work for the company. It is you who has to tell. Nobody else will do that job for you. Please remember. And don't go in groups while seeking for permission. 2 students, 4 students together. Approach the companies individually. Confusion will be less. And finally, remember to obtain permission. Don't just simply run back happily. Oh, they permitted, and don't run back. Okay, obtain the permission in their format. Okay, that's all. Yeah, now, okay, maybe I lost my video, but not a problem. Now your questions. You can think and ask, not a problem. See, don't underestimate your own doubts and questions. That is where you fail. Remember that they will end up, you will end up in a wrong place if you retain a doubt in your mind. All this effort from the department is done so that you should have clarity on internship, because it is different.
Sir.
No other institute is offering such an internship. Yes, Pawan.
Sir, we didn't got identity card, sir. It's okay.
Then no problem. In that case, you will carry the college letter, right? Signed by
Yes,
director of the department. That is also valid. In that case, then your self-introduction has to be very effective. Remember, okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, till what time we have to let know the college about our internship companies?
Before the end of your semester 2. Okay, so that
Okay.
is 16th September.
Okay, sir.
Before that, all 6 students would have been placed in company for internship with proper permission letter from the companies.
Okay, sir.
It is already there in the instructions which are shared in Google Classroom. Okay. Yes. Good question, Sakshi. Next question. So don't be shy. Don't carry any doubt in your mind. And being said, Sakshi and others also, September 16, still there is 1 month. Yeah, I do understand there is a lot of time, but do not ignore and keep it for the end. Those students who have kept it for the end, last week, last minute, have not got good internships. So your target should be to get internship in next 2 weeks, not in last 2 weeks. Everybody heard me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sakshi, you heard me?
Yes, sir.
Good. So your target next 2 weeks, you should have an internship in unavoidable circumstances. Okay, due to the some delays, unavoidable delays. Okay, then another 2 weeks you will have as a provision. That is, last 2 weeks keep only as a provision for bad debts. That's it. So better you obtain internship in next 2 weeks. That's it. Next question, please. Next question. Yeah, anybody? Sushmita, Sumuk, Chinmay, Lakshmikant, anybody? Okay, now just let me remind you. So I'm going to share the screen. Students, can you see these? See my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, see, dear students, I hope you can see this Google Classroom MBA Internship 2021.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
so
sir.
I take this opportunity to inform you that even all the faculty members are also part of this MBA Internship 2021. Each and every notice, message, information, format, guidelines, anything it is, your including your submissions, okay, will be only through this, okay, Google Classroom. Okay, notice will not be flashed in or posted in WhatsApp. Okay, so it is a double task, double repeat job. So it is your bound duty. Okay, every time you get a notification from this Google Classroom, go check and read in detail. What I have observed is many students are not read. The first post was all about internship. Okay, it is attached. So please read it so that you can explain it to the managers of the companies whom you are going to approach. If you yourself are not read it, how you expect the company manager to understand? Then second, internship request letter. I already informed you, okay, how to go ahead with that. And third, internship duration, okay, September 20th to October 17. Do not forget. And your permission to obtain, last date to obtain permission from a company is September 14, okay. But target the next 2 weeks, first 2 weeks, try to obtain your internship. Don't wait till the last minute, September 11, September 12. Things don't work like in a movie ಒಳಗೆ ಹೀರೋ ಹೆಂಗ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಡಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 000 ಬಾಂಬ್ ಡಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆತ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ದಾಗ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ okay, so please keep reading all the messages, notices and attachments that are sent through shared in Google Classroom. Okay, so if you do not have
Yes,
any
sir.
questions, and other than this, one more point, your faculty mentors will remain as your faculty guides for internship. Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you saw that in the previous meeting, okay, as well as in this meeting also, okay, all the faculty have attended. So everybody is on a common platform now. So you can keep in touch with your faculty guides. It is your duty. I'm making it very clear. Your faculty will not call you and follow you. Okay, that way the things doesn't work. Okay, you have to call your faculty or meet your faculty, keep in touch and update them regarding the progress. Any difficulties, any doubts you have, you can talk to them, get it clarified. If at the policy matter, okay, department level matter, you can call me to confirm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so all the best for you. Okay, so you be the change, okay, in the department. Okay, most of you take up the good quality internship projects, okay, where corporates come looking for you again, once again for the project of 6 weeks. Company or band kelbek nim hudugurna 6 weeks project kalskodri nam company. It is possible, it has happened. Please try to understand. Okay, so shall we break now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
please
sir.
wait a minute. Wait a minute, please don't log out. Please don't log out. If other faculty members, if they have anything to say, okay, so I request them to speak here at this occasion. Dr. Prakash or Dr. Prashant C, Dr. Salim, okay, or Dr. Professor Prashant Gujnal or Professor Bharti. On a common
Yes,
platform.
sir. Nothing much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, then. So let's hope for the best. Okay, keep in touch with your respective faculty guides on a almost day-to-day basis or at least alternate day basis. Keep them informed where you are trying and what is happening. Later, I will share a Google sheet where you have to fill in as and when you obtain permissions. You have to fill a Google sheet about your name, USN, company, type of internship. Okay, then company manager if allotted. Okay, then soft copy of the permission letter received. You can upload, there will be a provision. Okay, so I hope I will end the meeting in that case. Thank you one and all, and good day to all of you. You can log out
Thank
now.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you are welcome.